welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Yeah, happy Wednesday. Good morning. Well, I'm sure this is gonna come out in the evening, so good evening everyone. How's December been so far? Like, I feel like it's moving so fast. Like, it's already day 3. It's already day 3. Yeah. So it's right now, it's like 10 minutes to 12, and what have I been doing since morning? I woke up, lounged in bed for a long time, an unspeakably long time. Not because I didn't know what to do. I always know what to do, but I just wasn't feeling like it. So I worked out. Maybe one of these days I will share my workout routine, because I really don't like doing too much, guys. Like, I found moves or exercises that I love doing, like squats, jump squats. I love just lifting weights, you know, with the dumbbell. I love sit-ups. Like, I just do things that I enjoy, nothing too strenuous, otherwise I don't stay consistent and I don't enjoy it. So just do things that you love. So one of these days in the morning I'll be sharing my workout, and then did normal stuff, showered. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, so I might get something to eat for lunch now. And I've been working, and now I'm supposed to do something. I'm not even sure exactly what. I'm reading the email and I see what you're asking me to do, but I don't understand it. So I need to read this like 10 times and then get to work. And also a friend of mine is coming to see me. I'm expecting her soon, not sure when. So I need to get some work done before she comes. Otherwise I won't do stuff today. And then I also wanted to do a DIY project. An idea came to mind. I'm not sure if I'm able to do it today. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow, but we'll see how the day goes. Okay, let me get back to work and I'll check in with you guys later.
Hustle for some extra cash. Okay, so there are two things we're going to talk about here. I'll talk about the first one, which is that you could just go and get yourself an extra job. Literally, it's as easy as that. It could be that you are babysitting somewhere, or that you are driving and delivering various things, you know, via Uber, for example, or maybe that you're doing delivering for Amazon, for example. But either way, you're working part-time to generate some extra money. You know, something as easy as you work in, say, 10 hours over a weekend. Now, that might be very challenging for a lot of people. My question might be, you know, how badly do you want to actually raise this deposit? You know, think about it. You know, you could be doing this for only 12 months, which might seem like a long time, but what you're gaining over time is that you actually get to build up that deposit and buy your own first property. So if you work, say, I don't know, 10 hours over a weekend at £15 per hour, you know, you easily raise in there £600 per month, which would go some way towards you actually, you know, building up.
Okay, hi guys, same day. I just spilled something on my top and I had to change it. So yeah, I just finished watching a video by Ken and Mary of the Humble Penny. I watched them and some other like financial advisors on YouTube, and I think they've been really helpful, especially in changing your mindset on how you think about money, what you think is achievable, because you don't always see that in mainstream media. So seeing people that, you know, like everyday people would have made it and they're doing stuff right, that is encouraging. So if you want to check them out, do check their channel. It's called The Humble Penny. They're really nice, and they're Nigerian. I like that. Anyways, so you know what, this is the reason why I stopped vlogging, because like nothing much happens in my day. Like let's fly. So yeah, I think I'm done working for the day. And yeah, my friend did come. Miracle came, but she's coming back. I need to even call her. She said she's gonna come back. And I cooked dinner already. I still haven't had lunch, but I have cooked dinner. And then I want to make a, what's it called? The idea I have is to make a basket. Anyways, okay, what was I saying? Yeah, like nothing major happens. Like I work, I do my own stuff, and I think I'm just bad at vlogging, because even when my friend came, it was just not like nice to bring out the camera. I really don't know how to vlog. Plus I think I'm also very private. Like, I don't mind sharing my craft and what I do, but it's like when you asking me to, like, you know, I don't know, I'm really private, so bear with me. I will learn. And I just don't know, I just feel like, you know, when you really want to do something but you don't know how to do it. That's me right now. I really want to vlog, but I don't think I know how to do it, so we'll just learn by doing. That's what we're gonna do. Exactly. So what I want to do now, like I said, is create or make a basket. I need my table right now. My dressing table right now is a mess. Like, everything is everywhere, just scattered. So I want a basket to like hold everything together. And the idea I had is to use scrap fabric. You guys know I love like scrap fabric DIY projects. Yes. So we're gonna do that today. I just want to finish watching a couple of YouTube videos, or maybe I could watch them while I'm actually like making a basket. Yeah, let's go ahead, let's start. My basket is done. I love it. Just wished I found something to like poke the bottom out to like it's more sharp and pronounced or precise. That's the only thing I would do differently. I'm also thinking I should fold it out this way. Let's see. What do you think? Should we fold it out this way or leave it standing straight? I think I prefer it standing straight. Although the accent fabric now, I think we should make it stand straight, especially because I top stitched. It blends more with the Ankara. So let's go try this out. I'm gonna put my skincare products inside so it's not just like laying helter-skelter on my table. Let's go. Okay, so this is the current situation of things now. It's not looking so bad. Remember this basket I made, I think beginning of this year. Well, the tutorial is on my channel. You can check that out. It's a fabric rope basket using scrap fabric as well. And now we have this bad boy here to join it. So I'm just gonna arrange my skincare stuff in here. I didn't do too much, guys. I just use a toner. I have a day and night cream, and I have some multivitamins right here, and then I use castor oil for my hair. Right, and I have perfume. Okay, everything fits. I have to find a place to keep my mirror, but everything fits. And well, it's looking a bit better. Just have to clean up. It's looking better now. I have tea. I'm a tea lover. But like compared to how it was before, it's looking more organized. Can my mirror fit in here? Oh, my mirror fits. Yay! Okay, so everything fits in here. So the table is looking a bit more organized. This is my body cream. It definitely can't fit in here. It can just stay there as a lone body. But yeah, Okay, so I do hope you find time to make something similar, a basket to keep your things organized. You don't have to go out and buy a new basket. You can have fun while making a new one for yourself. Okay, so I hope you do give it a try. Let me know, share with me on my social media and Instagram at Pilum's Secrets. I think that's it. I forgot my handle, but yeah, my social media handles will be linked below, or send me an email. Yeah, anything, but I would really love to see your creations. So that's the end of this Vlogmas day 3. I don't know what I'm gonna make tomorrow, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share and leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. Bye.